the Dirt Devil Eclipse Plus, made by the Royal Vacuum Cleaner Company in America, literally made in America, sold in the UK, is done. How does it work now it is done? Well, we shall see. Is it any better, really? Was it any good to begin with is probably more what we're going to find out in this video, because this, and you know, I never blow my own trumpet, but bless you, it is now as good as it's going to get. It is as good as it came out of the box mechanically. So, rubbish or okay? Let's have a look. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? Gulping down water because by crikey I picked a stupid evening to film this. It is so hot today. Hot like this! That's so rare. Anyone I know who knows has one. Obviously everybody's seen one, everybody remembers them being, you know, $49.99 at Macro at the end of their life. Oh, we shall twist the dual swivel hooks and take the cable off. Now, yeah, this is gonna, well, it's from 1995, so it's mid-90s. Dirt Devil, I think, were still, you know, Royal Dirt Devil, the actual company before they were got rid of, and the name was sold on to be put on terrible Chinese things. So, it's good in that sense. There's so little I can tell you about it. You just got to look. It's just one of those machines to look at. In fact, it's thanks to this machine that made me get these, because I was very aware that, you know, it's black at the back and you can't see anything. So I got these, look, so we can shine a light on its dark, soul-sucking rear side. Yeah, where we have the hose, which we may as well take off. And again, this connects to there. The suction for there is actually divergent. I wasn't sure if it was in the before video, but it is under here. In fact, directly, it's under the front wheels. There's a flap that diverts with the recline of the machine. So that's when the suction comes in there. And then, of course, we only had the telescopic one in there, which slides a lot better now. It is not full of grit. We'll take the hose off because I was scared to absolute death of snapping this piece off, because there's no way, not even I'll be able to find another one of those. And we'll pop the bag door open to reveal the HEPA bag in all of its glory. Inside is very clean. The pre-motor filter washed up perfectly nicely indeed. I bet you're going to be a sod to get back in there, aren't you? And I washed the little post-motory foam bit and just hot glued it into place so it didn't fall off anywhere, and hot glued around this random bit here and the bag full indicator because air was escaping. Funny, isn't it? October, oh, where are we? October 1994 date wheel. 1995, my mistake. We'll close that up, and I'm going to show you the serial number because I know that you probably dated this in the before video, but obviously that's not live. There you go, Plant D 6750 UK, be in the serial, well, it'll be in the serial number somewhere. Somebody will know. So there we go, made in the USA by Royal. See what makes it so special? Probably where it gets its pretty amazing brush roll from. This literally saves it. It is thanks to this brush roll that this thing is any good at all. Otherwise it would be woeful. Nice wooden, very stiff bristles. It's astonishing how clean the brush roll really is. And a much better belt is now on it as well. So we shall undo the cable, take off its You know what? This might be original because these have been around for years, but modern plug. I didn't bother cleaning it really. Oh, we'll plug it in. I'll scooch the cable out the way, and we'll turn it on. That's the valve. Look, this carpet doesn't do it justice. Bear with. In fact, no. No. That carpet doesn't do it justice at all because it's not stuck down. It is just sucking itself up. It's really such a strange machine, this. It is a proper Jekyll and Hyde because we put the O's on and I sprinkle a little bit of sawdust. I need to get some more of this. And then we turn it on. The tool suction is pretty rubbish. I mean, it's not bad. It is certainly better than a turbo power. But, you know, as soon as you put any sort of blockage on it, you probably heard it, air just escapes from everywhere else. It's only really the path to the floor head that is a proper sealed system. And in fact, it's even more sealed now because I got a little bit creative on the bellows of all things with some of my silicone sealant. No, actually, no, hot glue. Because there was just air gaps everywhere. So I hot glued it into place. And that's why it's pretty good on carpet. Yeah, it's strange, isn't it? It's really good on carpet. It's amazing. Yeah, tools rubbish. Such a Jekyll and Hyde cleaner. Not quite sure what Mr. James wants it for. I think just because it's cool and you don't see many. That's certainly why I've gone to the trouble of refurbishing it. He didn't ask me to do it. I'm not going to charge him for it. But it needed to be done because when are we ever going to see another one? Comment below. Do you have any of this era? Not the modern ones. Not a handy. Do you have one of the uprights from the early to mid 90s? So, what are they like? I'm certainly very pleased that we've had the chance to look at this one. And it can now go off to its new home, and I can say thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I, but not this Dirt Devil, will see you soon. Bye bye.